Thanks for joining me. In this video, we're going to do 4 examples that are application problems relating to percentages. So the first one, I hit a sale at Macy's. All boots are 70% off. The boots I decided to buy are $89. What is the sale price? So 70% off, I can look at this in 2 different ways. 70% is the discount. That's how much I'm going to get off, right? The $89 is the original price. If I'm getting 70% off, that means that I'm paying 30%. Because the total has to be 100%. So if 70% is the discount, 100 minus 70 is 30, so 30% is the amount that I'm paying. So if I want to know what the sale price is, I could do 30% of $89. So $89 times 30%, and 30% as a decimal is 0.3. And if I put that in my calculator, I get $26.70. And that brings me right to the answer. So this is the sale price of the boots. If I use the 70%, so this is an alternative. Some people wouldn't have thought to look at the 70% as the discount and then realize that you're paying 30%. What they would do instead is they would do the $89 and they would multiply that by the 70%. So 89 times 70%, which is 0.7 as a decimal, is $62.30. Now, the key here is to remember that this is the discount. This is how much you're getting off. So then you would have to do 89 minus 62, man, I'm making a mess here, 62.30. And if you subtract the 2, then you get 26.70. So you'll still get the same answer, but you can see it takes a lot more work. I mean, I guess not a lot more, but more work. So you can think of it in either way. Number 2, Jalen just got his test back. He got 17 out of 20 problems correct. What percentage score did he earn? So if you have what he earned, 17 out of 20, you can change this to a percent simply by writing it as a fraction and dividing. So I'm going to write 17 over 20. So to find the percent, you just divide that. So let's see, 17 divided by 20. I got 0.85. So remember that that's the decimal. And then to change it into percent, you just multiply by 100. And that will give you 85%. Number 3, your boss took you to a really nice restaurant to congratulate you on your promotion. She picked up the tab and agreed to allow you to pay the tip. If the bill was $125, what is an appropriate tip if you plan to tip 20%? So you want to add 20% as a tip. So $125 times 20%, so that as a decimal is 0.2. So 125 times 0.2 is $25. All right, the final example, Kiana paid $39.25 for a new blouse, which was marked down from the original price by 35%. What was the original price? So above, let's see, in the first example, we did discount, right? We did stuff about discounts. And so this one is going to be similar, although we got the original price and the discount or paid amount, and we multiply them together. In this case, we don't have the original amount. I would suggest looking at this in a way that I explained number 1. The 35% is how much it was marked down. So this is the discount. So 100% minus the 35% is 65%. So 65% is what she paid. $39.25 is the dollar amount she paid. So she paid $39.25 and she paid 65%. You want those to match because you don't have the original price. So normally you would do the original price times the percent she paid, and that would give you the dollar amount she paid. I guess I don't need parentheses over here. So in this case, we don't know the original price, but we know the percent paid is 65%. So that would be 0.65. And the original price, I'm just going to call it X, is equal to the dollar amount she paid is $39.25. And so if I want to rewrite this, I could do it like this. 0.65x is equal to 39.25. And then in order to isolate the x, solve for x, I need to divide by 0.65. So x equals 39.25 divided by 0.65. And I got $60, and then I'm going to have to round. So in my calculator, I got 60.3846154. Since I'm dealing with money, I want to round this 8. So I'm going to look at the number right behind the 8. Since it's a 4, that means I'm going to keep 8 as it is. If this 4 was a 5 or higher, it would round up to 39 cents. So 38 cents.